Welcome to your typical building site featuring our lovely mascot Willow. This is how we measure all of our jobs from start to finish, from quotation to actual install. We check all of our measurements for block edging, total areas, as you can see down here, perimeter measurement for bricks, and then total square metre area of gravel grids. When we undertake your gravel grid installation, we'll make use of a range of different suppliers that we have a very good relationship with to source all the materials we need for the job. All of our edging blocks and curb edges are always installed on a 10mm ballast strong concrete mix. This ensures maximum strength for vehicular traffic. Levels are established to keep within current regulations. We can provide you a range of different styles and solutions for your property, whether you want curved blocks, straight blocks, anything's possible with us at Fine Line Landscaping Ltd. We utilise grab lorries on every job we physically can. This makes muck away, which normally there's a lot of it, and aggregates in so much quicker and more cost effective for you, the customer. All of our edging for your new gravel grid driveway is marked and cut with precision. MOT Type 1, which is our sub-base, is raked out to a minimum of 150mm. Our MOT Type 1 sub-base is then wet and compacted. Wetting the Type 1 allows us to keep all the fine particles mixed in with the Type 1 and allow for a nice solid compaction. Gravel grids from IBRAN are then delivered straight to site. We then import a minimum of a 15mm sharp sand screed over the top of the existing sub-base. The sharp sand screed helps us to be able to get a nice flush finish on the gravel grids after the geotextile membrane has been laid on top. Gravel grids are then laid throughout the property, clipped together nice and easily. Any cuts can either be made in place or prior to joining together. We have a range of different tools and devices we use for cutting our grids, and this is really dependent on the type of job at hand. Once the grids have been installed and cut in, we can then supply 20mm gravel that's recommended for IBRAN's gravel grids. This is normally obtained locally to site. Once the gravel has been installed in the grids, they are then fully usable for vehicular and pedestrian traffic. Contact IBRAN or call us directly for your free no obligation quotation.